Hey, Rodney Miller here with Hard Money Partner. Today, 5 things you must know about hard money loans, or you need to know about hard money loans. So we're going to cover 5 things that I feel you need to know about hard money loans. In case you don't know me, Rodney Miller, I own Hard Money Partner here in Oklahoma City. I loan money all over the state of Oklahoma. We're quick and easy, and you can always have my cell phone. Give me a call if you want to talk about loans. My number is 405-204-1715. Let's get started. Okay, point number one, skin of the game. Hard money lenders always want you to have skin in the game. If you think you're going to get a 100% hard money loan, probably not going to happen, especially in this economic climate. You know, these national lenders were coming in and offering 90, 80, 90% loan to value stuff. Even during the good times, they wanted some skin in the game. Now they're upping their requirements and wanting 20, 30% you to bring to the table on the on the purchase usually. And then they'll fund the rehab. So you always have to have skin in the game. If you plan on getting a hard money loan with no skin in the game and no money out of pocket, probably not going to happen. Number two, every company is different. You're going to find that every hard money company is vastly different. We're not really regulated. You're going to have national companies, you're going to have mom and pop companies, and they're going to vary in many different ways. Some are going to want you to have tax returns, income statements, and show how much you make. Some aren't. Some aren't going to deal with newbies. They're going to want you to have 2 or 3 deals under your belt. Some aren't. And some are going to, want you to have perfect credit. Some are not. I can tell you that we don't require docs. We do work with newbies, and our credit score requirements are pretty reasonable. Point number 3, local is usually better. So we have all these national companies. They're starting to pull out of here because they're getting a little nervous about the market and everything. But I think local is better when you're dealing with a hard money lender. They know the market. They know your project probably better. They probably know the neighborhood. And if they stand you up at the closing table, which I'm getting a lot of calls these days where these national companies are standing people up, or they're backing out, leaving a lot of borrowers in bad positions. But they don't have to run into you at the local real estate club. They don't have to run into you on the street. So it's no big deal for them to stand you up on a loan. Your local lender is different. He's got to keep a good reputation in the area, and he's probably going to see you at some point face to face. And so if he's walking around screwing people over at the last minute, it's not going to work for him. So that's why I think local is better. Number 4, relationships are very important in this industry, especially on the local level. Hard money lenders on the local level are going to go off their relationship with you, which they want to develop. I want to develop a relationship. I want to get to know you. I'm going to go off my gut, and I'm going to go off character. I'm going to assess your character. If I think you have good character, if I think you're a good, if I think there's a good chance you're going to pay me back. I'm assessing all that, just like you're assessing me. Is this guy going to do what he says he's going to do? So relationships, gut, and character, I go off my gut a lot. I might just like you, and I might get a good vibe from you. And so I'm going to, it's my money. It's my prerogative. I can give you more money, and I can make the deal sweeter for you just based off of that. So that's really a big deal. I'm not an institutional lender. I'm not a bank. I don't have a loan committee, and a lot of us hard money lenders don't have that. So we're really going off our gut feeling and our relationship with you, and our, how we feel you're going to deliver on your promises. And number 5, the final one, is I believe also, I talked about local is better. I think smaller is better. If you're dealing with a small company, like with my company, it's me and I've got a part-time assistant. That's it. You're dealing with me directly. You're calling my cell phone. You're dealing with me. I'm not able to say, oh, the loan committee turned you down, or, no, it's in the loan committee, or, we have our document people looking over everything. No, it's just me. I look at it. I know the real estate market. I'm small. I'm an investor now. I've been an investor for years. I understand Oklahoma like the back of my hand. So it's easy for me, and you're dealing with me, and you're not dealing with any large corporation or bank or any kind of administrative cluster F, if you know what I'm talking about. So that's it. That's the 5 things you need to know about hard money loans. Basically, skin of the game. Every company's different. Local is better. Relationship and gut and character come into play, and smaller is better, in my opinion. So appreciate you tuning in. Hey, bring me your deals, man. We just made a loan on a $500,000 loan on a piece of land in Pecola, Oklahoma. That's the border, right off I-40. It borders Fort Smith, Arkansas. Used to be the Wild Things Farm. It was like one of those pumpkin patch things where you could go pick your own strawberries, but the guy's going to turn it into a wedding venue and / cannabis operation. I don't know how that works, but he's putting buildings on it. It's a really pretty piece of land, lakes and stuff like that. my gut told me it was a good opportunity. I like it, and I like the guy. So also doing a 16-unit apartment complex in Ponca City, Oklahoma. 16 units right across from the Phillips 66 plant. Drove out there, looked at it, liked it. We're funding that deal. That's $450,000. So we can do little deals, 75. We also have a couple of little deals, $75,000, $150,000 loans. We can do it all. Just give me a call. Be happy to look at your deal. My cell phone is 405-204-1715. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, help us grow, help us out. I appreciate it. That's my only ask of you. You guys have a good one. Rodney Miller, Hard Money Partner.